So I am at New Dale Pharmacy. It's right beside Family Pride in the plaza where Pizza Hut is at Avondale. So you guys can come and check them out. I'm going to see what items they have in store. See what kind of home decor stuff they have here. Because you don't know, most time these places have some nice home decor stuff. I have Christmas stuff. I have these big bows and these for 1,120, and I have these, as I tell you, in my childhood, 540 for this type. I have this one for 540 as well. They have these gold and red glitter 2-pack for $530. They have these for $710. It's a pack of 3. They have these for $519. Over there, so I come through. Alright, so them have these Christmas trees, so I can come on and get on a Christmas tree as well. How much for this one? $6,575. Hi, darling. Go on. Yes, so them have these for $700.
Hey, what's that?
We're there. And the white one is for how much? No problem.
There's one thing that I wish, one thing at the top of my list. Oh, one thing I wanna do is send this touch, kiss it.
What do you mean? We do this every day, see them move, and it's sure if it never there, because they sign with a big blue. Alright, so I see that they have toys and so here as well. So you guys can come and get the Christmas gifts early for the children. So you can get these stunt drone, 13,200. Them have cars. Them have girl doll car too. Them are going with a croquette bag of things for your pharmacy though. Eh? I catch ya. Wanna hear this? Them have whole heap of things. And I can get on the girly pianos, them 5,900. Ensure when you come, you can tell them so Renzystyle sent you. Alright, them have villa. This villa is for how much? 4,400. Oh, look at this, Space Jets. 10,500. Wow, them have whole heap of things to throw. So around this section you can get your dolls, $999 plus tax. They have these Avenger cars for 4,300. $2,900 for this helicopter. They have these monster truck, $3,099.
See the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here.
I want to sell press-on nails, but $800. I like that one, you know. Yeah, man.
Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer.
So that's it, guys. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen, and thank you for the support you are giving me for Vlogmas 2022.